So, I'll be talking about a very important scale, which is known as chromatic scale. So, what is a chromatic scale? What happens? It can start from any key, right? But now I am going to start it from the middle C for my right hand. Now, what happens in the chromatic scale? It goes like this. So, if you noticed, I haven't skipped any key. So I started from the middle C. Now, from this middle C to the C next to it, there are 12 semitones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now after this 12, the next C will come, right? So we will be playing all the semitones. We will not skip any key. Like when we play the C major scale, so we are not playing the black keys. So there are some keys which are being skipped. Okay, so once again, so this is how the chromatic scale sounds like. From the left hand. Both hands together. So this is not a song, this is not a composition, not a tune, not a piece, musical piece. This is just for making our fingers more flexible. This is a warm up exercise, also known as the technical walk whenever we play the piano. Now we can practice this chromatic scale in both staccato and legato. Staccato means connected notes. And staccato would be sounding like this. So I started from the C on both of my hands. I went to the higher C, then I came back. So this is completing the one octave. Now we can go more than one octave as well. Yeah. Now, when you play the chromatic scale, you are going the half step. So there is something called as half step and whole step in the piano. Now, what is the half step? Suppose if I start with the C, this middle C, the next half step would be the next key after to this white key. We will not skip the black keys. So if this is the middle C, then the next half step would be C sharp. And again the next half step would be D. Then the next half step, B sharp. It means we don't have to skip any keys in between. We will be playing all the black and the white keys. So this is like going all the half steps. Now the whole step is playing the alternate keys, which is like this. So if I have played C, the next whole step would be D. So we will leave the black key between C and D. Now after D, the whole step would be leaving one key. So D sharp I will leave, E. And then again, so this is an important theoretical part of playing all the half notes and the whole notes. Again, the half note means when we play the chromatic scale, we are playing all the half notes. And the whole note is leaving one key in between. So now I will talk about the fingers to play this chromatic scale. So first we will start with the right hand. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to play the chromatic scale, we will use the first third finger, 1, 2, 3. Now if you notice, our middle finger is the longest finger in all the 5 fingers. So the black keys, all the black keys would be played by the third finger, the middle finger. So we will start with the thumb on the C. So it's 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. Now there are 2 white keys together. Like so, here we will use our second finger. So whenever there are 2 white keys together, we will use the second finger, that is the point finger. So again, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, second, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, second. Now in the left hand, thumb, middle, second, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, second, 1. Now we'll come back with the same set of fingers. Thank you.